Hey everyone, how's it going on? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing for a certain item, which you're looking at. Obviously, it's Rolex, part of the Subline series, the Submariner series, that is. And if you already discussed about the Hulk, yeah, I already discussed that, and its inheritance, and it always harkens to the Submariner line from the 50s. And went on to become a success. I don't even know if I'm taking the right guess, but I'm gonna take a hypothesis that it's already a $1 billion franchise, grossing over that this Rolex line, along with other ones, are grossing over billions of dollars. That's right, Rolex has grossed billions of dollars over the course of like a century already. That is garnered between celebrities, business people, people that do vacations, fashion people, heck. And as of 2020, the 40 millimeter got discontinued, and now we've gotten up to the 41 millimeters, and this is like the line gone crazy. Feel sorry that the Hulk is gone. Now this is coined as the Starbucks series, released, of course, all released on September 2nd of 2020. Really, the 41 millimeters are indeed superiorly big, but I really feel sorry that the Hulk is not around. Maybe it'll make a comeback in a few years. I'm not sure. So yeah, this is ceramic, everybody, and you can dive with this. Just make sure you have the right substance to like clean the material. And this particular one that we're going to be looking at was released on March 18, 2020, approximately 8 months or so. Nine months before the release of the Hulk. So yeah, that's how long it is. So this is where it began. Last time we had a good sub was around the ceramic size. What the heck? I mean, this was an ad. I mean, it's one of the Submariner lines that was still in production, but by 2010, that look got discontinued and we got a different variation, but it is a Submariner line, very big, and it's a reference 116610, the date version. 2 years later, we get a no date version, reference 114060. So your choice how you do like. You want a no date or you want a date version. It's your choice. And very uniquely designed, really. No lie, no kidding. This is a great design right here. So no chit chat, let's take a look at this Rolex, everyone. Like right now. Alrighty. Here we go, y'all. Oh, this is kind of tough. Badass to crack. Tough nut to crack, that is. Or an egg to crack. Well, no chit chat. Oh, here it comes, y'all. Here it comes. Woo-wee. Yeah, that was a bit hard, wasn't it? Nah. Well, let's see what's in here. Oh no, it's empty. But you got your Rolex logo. Right there. You got the manual. where in the heck is the watch? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. This is it. This is the one. And it has a cyclops. That's what they're well known for. Since the early days of the cyclops, since then. Mm-hmm. Oh, let's hear the bezel. Let's hear it. And when you pull the crown, I believe I showed this to you already. You could change the date. One is for the date. Pull it all the way, it stops the motor running. You guys hear that? It's increasing the speed of the watch. And it's a 40-hour power reserve, if I'm not mistaken. That's what it is. But let's take a look at it anyway, how it looks on the wrist. But always important. Swiss. All the details. Huh. Oh well. It is how it is. So it's a Swiss-made brand. Very uniquely designed. Looks good. Let's be clear, I wear this for either fashion purposes or just relax. I would take this to go diving at some point, but I never dived before. I'm not a scuba diver whatsoever. Ah, and I forgot to show you one thing. Whoa. Lenticular. Oh, wait. Where's this first? Whoa. Certificate. Okay. Rolex SA Geneva. And look at that. Superlative certified. And you can see the Rolex and the crowns. Lenticular. I can do this all day, y'all. So no chit chat with this. Let's do a music with the watch, like now, y'all. But one more thing. This is how it looks on the Sparky wrist, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. That's what it looks on the Sparky wrist. One more. All right. So no chit chat. Let's put music that fits with this watch when it came out. All right, y'all. So, with all that out of the way, let's put the music on with Kid Cudi's Revo FEV. Enjoy it, y'all. Well, that was Kid Cudi with Revo Fev, F-E-V, Revo F-E-V, that's what it is. Big hit in 2010. So did you enjoy this video? Are you a big fan of Rolexes? I know I'm sure am. Again, I'm borrowing this from my old man. I already got the Hulk myself. Wait, I got that sometime right before the market went crazy. Depends on one other things. And it is indeed a great timepiece going back for many years. And now next year, 2023, would mark 70 years. Undoubtedly, we're never going to be getting I highly doubt that the big crown versions that don't have the crown guards, which are these, will be making a comeback. Undoubtedly, that it will ever make a comeback. Who knows? Because again, 2020, we were supposed to be getting a 6204 with the lollipop pencil hands, but unfortunately, that never happened. That was just a prediction. But 2020 with the 6204 comeback never happened. That was only a rumor. Oh well, I had expectations as well as anybody, but nah. And last year we were supposed to be getting a big crown Milgauss, but doubtedly that ever happened. Oh well. Who knows if big crowns are ever gonna make a comeback? And I don't even know if we're gonna be getting new Rolexes maybe this year. I mean, I'm not so sure. I'm seeing photos on social media. Maybe it is true. Maybe it's a rumor. Maybe it's just a saying with ideas and theories. Maybe the Coca-Cola GMT may be making a comeback. Maybe also known as the Seville Loren, the Fat Lady. That's what it's got these 3 nicknames so far. But all in all, I dig it. I mean, it is a very wicked names so far. How you giving these Rolexes crazy names, which I dig so far. Very cool indeed. And sorry for that, folks. But all in all, magnificent timepieces that ever existed since the late 80s and other things. Anybody follow Houdinki? Like I said, I'll leave you the link in the description box. Again, it's the timeline with the Submariners. It's insane. How could you not deny it? So, also, what else? At the end of this video, I'll show you the loom shots, which loom shots are awesome. And shouts to Houdinki, Random Rob, G-Shock Go, Crispy, G-Shock High Fashion, Mike 835, man, Willie Licks, aka Master 4999, Clouds and Cars, formerly known as G-Shock Warrior 111, and as well as other collectors out there of watches, including, let's not forget, Bruce Williams, the Watch Guys, Watch Chris, and the Timeless Watch channel. Let's give a shout out to you, dude. So yeah, so follow the link in the description box down below for these people, as well as, of course, subscribe to my channel to be notified of all new uploads and updates, out and about bids and such, as well as like the videos, share the vids. If you have any comment, if you have any interest in the videos or so, comments down below. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Bye-bye.